Hello, welcome again. Today I'm gonna be continuing the last lesson that I have on how to make a living, how to start making money big, how to be, how to become a very good programmer and make money out of it, how to make a living by being a programmer. And I was giving us like 4 steps that we need to take in order to start making a living out of our skills in coding, our skills that we got by learning how to uh, use programming languages like Java, C++, C Sharp, Python, and the rest of them. So, in the previous lesson, I said that number one step is by learning a programming language. First of all, you need to know a programming language. You need to learn uh, just one or as many as you can. You can learn programming languages like JavaScript, Java, Python, C Sharp, C++, PHP. When you learn these programming languages, first of all, you've acquired the skills. So having acquired the skills, then you can do other things. But before you start acquiring the skill, it brings us to number two step, which is having the tools needed in order for you to acquire the skills. So step number two is that you need to have the tools so that when you get job after acquiring the skills, you can be able to execute these jobs. And those tools are tools like laptop, internet. You need to have internet, steady uninterrupted internet to help you in learning, and it will help you in executing the jobs that you get after learning. Then other tools that you need are things like you need the compilers and the interpreters for the various languages that you need. You need things like CMS like Joomla, WordPress, and other things that you need to work with. So make sure you get them and make sure you network with the right people. Then the number third step is that you need to move to the right location. And you know, in my previous classes, I told us the 5 places that you need to be in Nigeria if you need to be getting job and getting the right connection. Because it's when you get job, when you do projects, that's when you make money. So you need to be in places like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, university areas, places like Enugu, Zaria, and places that you see other programmers network and do job. They can even you can be working as a freelance developer, helping people out in their own projects. Even as I am now, I'm looking for people that are very good that can help me complete some of the projects that I'm currently working on. Then, fourthly and lastly, is the actual getting job, where you must have learned a programming language or learned programming languages, gotten the right tools like laptop, internet, and everything that you need to work with, being in the right place like Abuja, Lagos, or so. So the fourth thing is now getting the job. How do you go about getting these jobs? First of all, you need to. There are various steps that you can take. You can upload your works on GitHub, and you can walk through the streets. You can walk into an organization, look at what is going on. You understand? You can actually convert things that are done manually into uh, to be done online or electronic. You can proffer solution. That's the essence of being a software developer. When you see a problem, you proffer an easier electronical solution to that very problem. So that's another way of doing things. Then you can look up works that are already done online. You can make improvements on them. You can be working on content development that you can sell and make money. You can be developing softwares and Android applications. You upload them on Google Play Store and can be used, and you can monetize them and make money. You can also develop websites where you render services like online sales and buying and selling. You can create marketplaces online, and there are a whole lot of things you can do after acquiring the right skills. That's why acquiring the skills is very, very important. You need to develop yourself very well, because when you develop yourself very well, that's when you are able to proffer solutions to problems that you see. If you've not developed yourself very well, it limits you. But when you have the right skills, you can do virtually more. And when you do more, you make more living by doing more. So that's where I'm going to stop for today. But subsequent lectures, I'm going to expatiate more on all these points that I've raised. Thank you.